He goes to school by bus. He goes to school by bus. She reads books in the library. She reads books in the library. We play soccer in the park. We play soccer in the park. They watch movies on weekends. They watch movies on weekends. I am having lunch now. I am having lunch now. He is playing the piano. He is playing the piano. She is painting a picture. She is painting a picture. We are learning English together. We are learning English together. They are running in the garden. They are running in the garden. I will visit my grandparents tomorrow. I will visit my grandparents tomorrow. He will call his friend tonight. He will call his friend tonight. She will bake a cake for the party. She will bake a cake for the party. We will go to the zoo next Saturday. We will go to the zoo next Saturday. They will sing songs at the concert. They will sing songs at the concert. I cleaned my room yesterday. I cleaned my room yesterday. He wrote a letter last night. He wrote a letter last night. She watched a funny movie. She watched a funny movie. We painted the walls last summer. We painted the walls last summer. They played video games after school. They played video games after school. Do you like chocolate? Do you like chocolate? Does he swim in the pool? Does he swim in the pool? Does she walk to work every day? Does she walk to work every day? Do we need to bring snacks? Do we need to bring snacks? Do they enjoy playing basketball? Do they enjoy playing basketball? I am happy today. I am happy today. He is tired after work. He is tired after work. She is excited about the trip. She is excited about the trip. We are ready for the test. We are ready for the test. They are nervous before the game. They are nervous before the game. I always drink milk in the morning. I always drink milk in the morning. He never eats spicy food. He never eats spicy food. She sometimes helps her mother cook. She sometimes helps her mother cook. We often visit our cousins. We often visit our cousins. They rarely stay up late. They rarely stay up late. I was reading a book when you called. I was reading a book when you called. He was watching TV last night. He was watching TV last night. She was cooking dinner at that time. She was cooking dinner at that time. We were playing outside in the rain. We were playing outside in the rain. They were laughing loudly during the show. They were laughing loudly during the show. I can ride a bike. I can ride a bike. He can solve puzzles quickly. He can solve puzzles quickly. She can play the guitar well. She can play the guitar well. We can swim in the river. We can swim in the river. They can climb tall trees. They can climb tall trees. I would like a cup of tea. I would like a cup of tea. He would love to join the party. He would love to join the party. She would prefer ice cream over cake. She would prefer ice cream over cake. We would enjoy a walk by the lake. We would enjoy a walk by the lake. They would like to visit the museum. They would like to visit the museum. I must finish my homework today. I must finish my homework today. He must be at home now. He must be at home now. She must wear a uniform to school. She must wear a uniform to school. We must take care of the environment. We must take care of the environment. They must arrive on time. They must arrive on time. I had breakfast at 7 o'clock. I had breakfast at 7 o'clock. He had a great time at the park. He had a great time at the park. She had a pet cat last year. She had a pet cat last year. We had fun at the festival. We had fun at the festival. They had a picnic by the river. They had a picnic by the river. I am going to watch a movie. I am going to watch a movie. He is going to visit his uncle. He is going to visit his uncle. She is going to buy a new dress. She is going to buy a new dress. We are going to play tennis this evening. We are going to play tennis this evening. They are going to start a new project. They are going to start a new project. I enjoy reading stories. I enjoy reading stories. He likes playing with his dog. He likes playing with his dog. She loves dancing in the rain. She loves dancing in the rain. We prefer walking to driving. We prefer walking to driving. They enjoy eating ice cream in summer. They enjoy eating ice cream in summer. I dream of becoming a scientist. I dream of becoming a scientist. I should drink more water. I should drink more water. He should study harder. He should study harder. She should take some rest. She should take some rest. We should respect our teachers. We should respect our teachers. They should clean their room. They should clean their room. I walk to the store every day. I walk to the store every day. He is having lunch with his friends. He is having lunch with his friends. She talks to her sister on the phone. She talks to her sister on the phone. We play board games after dinner. We play board games after dinner. They write emails to their boss. They write emails to their boss. I saw a rainbow yesterday. I saw a rainbow yesterday. He found his lost wallet. He found his lost wallet. She bought a new pair of shoes. She bought a new pair of shoes. We visited the science museum. We visited the science museum. They painted a beautiful picture. They painted a beautiful picture. I have two brothers. I have two brothers. He has a big dog. He has a big dog. She has a small garden. She has a small garden. We have a lot of homework. We have a lot of homework. They have a soccer match tomorrow. They have a soccer match tomorrow. I live in a small town. I live in a small town. He works in a big office. He works in a big office. She studies at a famous university. She studies at a famous university. We travel to the mountains every winter. We travel to the mountains every winter. They stay in a cozy hotel during vacations. They stay in a cozy hotel during vacations. I enjoy riding my bike. I enjoy riding my bike. He likes fishing in the lake. He likes fishing in the lake. She plays the violin beautifully. She plays the violin beautifully. We often cook together on Sundays. We often cook together on Sundays. They practice speaking English every evening. They practice speaking English every evening.